Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone is iOS 13 or newer, charged, and has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. Next, decide. Factory head unit capable, aftermarket CarPlay head unit, or a plug-in adapter. Choose one now so you can order the correct parts. Once ordered, park safely, disconnect the negative battery cable, and remove the dash trim with proper tools so you can access the radio harness without damaging clips or panels. You'll wire and mount the new unit or adapter next, and this is where precision matters. Carefully match the aftermarket harness colors to the vehicle harness. Constant 12V, switched ignition, ground, speaker wires, and secure solder or crimp connections. Then connect the USB/data cable to the head unit or hardwire 12V to a wireless CarPlay dongle. Once connected, reattach the display harness, but do not fully reinstall trim. Power up and test audio, microphone, steering controls, and phone connection to verify functionality. You finish by tidying wiring, securing the head unit, and reinstalling dash panels so everything looks factory. Then pair your iPhone, plug in with a high-quality data cable for wired CarPlay, or use the head unit's wireless pairing flow. Follow prompts on both phone and screen. If something fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Swap to a known data-capable USB cable and reboot the phone. Make sure CarPlay is allowed on your iPhone under Settings, and update the head unit firmware if available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.